Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well, and if you're new here then welcome. My name is Olivia. So this week I have some stunning new festive party wear pieces that I thought you guys would love to see ahead of Christmas and New Year, in case you've got any fun occasions coming up. And I've also got some stunning new jewellery pieces and a stunning watch as well to talk to you guys about, which would be so perfect if you need any gifts coming up to Christmas. As always, I'll link everything down below in the description box so you can shop everything from down there. And I'll start off with the stunning new jewellery pieces and the watch that I picked up recently. And they're from a stunning watch and jewellery brand called Pascal. If you guys aren't familiar with them, I cannot recommend them enough. They have affordable luxury pieces that are such high-end quality, but at a much more affordable price. So this part of the video is kindly sponsored by them, and I cannot wait to talk you through the new pieces that I've picked up. And I've actually got them on now. So I've got on currently the new Sagittarius necklace that I've picked up, which I'll show you better in cutaway. But this is so gorgeous. This has got real lab-grown diamonds on it as well, which just makes it that bit extra special, I think. And I absolutely love zodiac pieces, and I just think it's a nice personal touch to a little jewelry piece to have that person's star sign on there. So I picked up this one, and I actually really love the chain on it as well. It's quite a thick chain that I got the pendant with, but yeah, it's got loads of different lengths on the chain as well, so you've got the versatility there depending on like what neckline you've got. The necklace, I believe, with the chain, the pendant and chain together, I believe was about $130. So super affordable for a stunning necklace with real lab-grown diamonds on. I also picked up a couple of other pieces. So I picked up a new watch from them. I was so drawn to their watches. They have such a huge variety, and in particular I really love their oval watches. And I saw that they had a stunning yellow gold faced watch in the stunning oval design with diamonds on there as well, and it has a really lovely chocolate leather brown strap. And I don't have anything like that, so I really wanted to add that to my watch collection. And I've got it on currently now, but you'll see it much better in the cutaway. But it's just such a versatile little piece. I absolutely love the brown leather with the gold. I think colours complement each other so nicely. But they have so many different styles to pick from, and I got the smaller size watch. I believe this is the size 24mm times 33mm, but they do it in a larger size as well if you prefer a larger watch face, or if it would be for a man, they have the larger size as well, which is so handy. So I could actually get a larger size of this watch and give it to my partner, so we had like his and hers watches. That would be so cute. So this watch is the oval bubble diamond watch, and it's got two stunning lab-grown diamonds in the face as well, and the face is like a very pale sort of pinky color, which I think again just complements the brown and gold so beautifully. But this is such a gorgeous watch as well to wear in the day or in the evening. I think it's so versatile. This one was $195, so I think that's so good for such a good quality watch. And then lastly, I picked up a gorgeous diamond bracelet. I've been on the hunt for a diamond bracelet like this for so long. I really wanted a lovely little dainty gold chain with diamonds all along the bracelet. I didn't want just one diamond in the middle, because I feel like the bracelet will turn and you won't get to see the diamond all the time. So I wanted to get one that had multiple diamonds on it, and when I saw this one I had to pick it up. I was so in love with it, and it's exactly what I wanted. I think that the chain is a really good thickness as well. I didn't want anything too thin. It's got 5 diamonds all along there as well. And this one I believe was $200. So for the amount of diamonds you get on there as well, I think that's such a good price. And I got this in the smaller size option. It comes in 3 different sizes, and I got this in a small because I have very small wrists. And it fits really well actually. I actually am wearing this now on the loosest setting, and it fits me really well. So it's got so many different size options on there, and I think that this looks so gorgeous paired with the watch as well. They look so beautiful next to each other, and again, this would be such a stunning gift for a loved one this Christmas, or if you just wanted to treat yourself. this is such a perfect little addition to my jewellery collection. And while I was on the website as well shopping for myself, there was actually so many other pieces that I have my eye on. It also had some stunning gold rings with lab grown diamonds on as well, which looked so gorgeous. And there was also a bangle that I really liked the look of with a diamond on as well, which I thought looked so classic. And they have so many different watches to pick from. Honestly, there's something for everyone on there. So if you haven't looked before, definitely check it out. And they have some amazing offers on at the minute. And I also actually have a discount code for you guys, which you can use to get 20% off. So I'll pop my discount code on screen and the link as well. And I'll also link the website in the description box down below if you guys want to check out their website. I cannot recommend the brand enough. The quality is incredible and they're such luxury premium pieces at really good prices, so definitely check it out. And now let's get into the clothing pieces that I picked up recently. I've got some stunning new occasion wear from a few different brands. So I'll start off with a new dress that I picked up from Muse. Firstly, I got this gorgeous maxi length dress. This is such a classic dress and it's such a show-stopping dress, but it's like such an understated look. And it fits incredibly. This dress I got in a size extra small. The fit is so good. It's like a super stretchy material and it really cinches in at the waist and accentuates your figure. And what I love about it as well is it's got these like frill details on the sleeves. These come down really long and they just like flow and it's just so beautiful. It's quite a high-necked dress as well, so it's super classy looking. And as this is white, I would actually style this with like a white fur coat. I think that the maxi length with the fur coat looks so cute, which I've actually also picked up, so I'll show you that now. So I saw this fur coat on Asos, and I just thought like fur coats this season are so good for party wear and like evening looks. And when I got this dress, I thought a little white fur coat would look so cute with it. So I got this to try with it and it just complements it so well. So this one is from Asos and this one I got in a size small. The fur is super soft as well and I really like the style of this one. It's quite a short coat and I feel like a shorter coat with the maxi length dress complements each other really well. And then also from Asos, I saw this really lovely lace maxi skirt and I had to pick it up to try. I was actually so obsessed with the lace trend when it first started, and I just saw the burgundy color and I just thought it was something different. I really wanted to give it a go and just try styling it up. I styled it with this like brown structured blazer and I feel like it goes really nice, like the burgundy and brown together. And this one, they actually didn't have my size, so I had to size up to a UK size 10 and it actually fits me as a low-rise skirt. So it still fits, to be honest, but I think they've got some smaller sizes available now, so I'll link this for you. And I might end up changing this to get a smaller size as well, but yeah, it's a really good maxi length on me with heels. And yeah, I think this is such a lovely party wear piece as well for the festive season. For the pieces I'm going to show you next from Club Owl London, I've actually got a discount code for them as well. So I believe it's for 15% off. It's Olivia B 15 exclamation mark, but I'll pop it on screen so you can see clearly, and I'll also pop that in the description box as well. So if you guys want to pick up any of these pieces, you can get a discount on those as well. So firstly, I've got this really gorgeous maxi length dress. This again is like so chic and really sophisticated. It's got this racer neck style top and it's a high neck again. It's super fitted on the body and then sort of like from the hips down, it comes into this gorgeous black and white frilled design. The skirt is super flowy and airy and it is honestly such a gorgeous dress. I don't have any occasions coming up at the minute where I can wear this, but I know I'm going to get use out of it, so I'm definitely keeping this. It is so stunning. And this also would look stunning in the summer, like all year round this dress would be perfect. The white on it is like an organza, so it's super breathable as well. But yeah, I absolutely love this dress. And this one I got in a size UK 6, which is my usual size, and it fits like a dream. And then I also picked up another black and white dress from Club Owl, but this is a very different vibe. This one is this gorgeous Bardo style mini dress. So it's this really cute like white poofy Bardo style on the top, and then it comes down into this really cute little black velvet mini dress, and this is super flowy and like a skatery style at the bottom. And I absolutely love this one. I think the fabric contrast is so nice with the like white up here and then the black velvet on the bottom. This is such a fun little dress. Again, I got this in my usual size 6. This actually comes up a bit big on me, so I actually would probably benefit from sizing down in this. I don't know if they do it in a 4, but I probably will check because the 6 is a little bit big like on my chest, and this one is just so cute. I really love the big poofy Bardo style. I think it's quite like in your face, but I really like it. I've picked up a stunning sparkly maxi dress. This is so perfect for a New Year's Eve occasion or party. This is just stunning. I got this again in my usual size 6 and it fits so perfectly. So definitely stick true to size in this one. It's super slinky, very bodycon, and so like quite low neck at the front with this cowl neckline. And then the bottom goes into this sheer material with a big slit in the side. So it's a very fun like evening dress, and I'm so in love with it. And the sparkles as well, as you can see, it's so eye-catching and so stunning. You'll see much better the fit of it in the cutaway, but I'm obsessed with this, and I feel like I need a big party, like New Year's Eve party, to wear this to. And I don't actually have anything going on right now for New Year, but I'm gonna have to get something booked in because this dress is too cute to not wear. And then the last dress that I picked up from Club Al London is this really lovely maxi dress again, and it's also in the black and white style. So this one is very classic, sophisticated look, I think. It's got this really nice off-shoulder bow detail in the white, and it comes down on the body. It's got a ruched element on the side, and then it comes down maxi length again, and it's got a slit inside which gives you extra movement too. This one again is super stunning, very chic and versatile. This would be so nice for a black tie event. Again, the fit of this one is so perfect. I got this in my usual size UK 6. So definitely stick true to size in this one. This dress was a bit more affordable, I believe, than the other ones. I think this was around 60-ish. But it's so stunning and it's such a good price. So I cannot recommend this dress enough. I think it's so gorgeous. I also picked up some really fun high heels that I thought would go cute with the dresses. So these are just a classic like black court shoe, which are so good to have in the winter. But yeah, these have got this really lovely diamante bow on the back, so they're super eye-catching. These would look so nice with the dresses that I've shown you, but also like with like maybe like a black blazer dress. These would look really cute, like something very minimal on top and then like a fun heel like this to really like catch the eye. But yeah, I just think these are so cute. And then I also picked up another black heel, but this is a strappy option. Super cute and versatile. Oh my god. Okay, I've just had a revelation. So these are actually strappy shoes with little roses on the front. And I didn't realize, I've just figured out now, that the roses clip on and off. So you can have them plain with just the straps without the rose detail, and then you can clip it back on for when you want that element, which my mind is blown. That's so cool. You could put this on other stuff as well. I'm trying to think what else I've got this would look cute on. Oh, I'm so chuffed with that. I think that's so good. So you've got the versatility to wear these just plain as little strappy black heels, or with the little satin black rose on there as well. And that is everything. So I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing the new partywear pieces that I picked up recently, and the new stunning jewelry pieces, and my new watch from Pascal. As I said before, I'll link everything in the description box. You can shop everything from down there. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.